Hi guys, welcome back to Walk Square. So in today's video, let's see how can we make YouTube thumbnail using PowerPoint presentation. Okay, come, let's go to the video. So now I'm going to create a presentation thumbnail. See, so now I have taken a slide. This is empty slide. What you have to do, go to layout, make it as blank. So now ours is empty. So I'm gonna insert a picture from this device and mine. I'm gonna take this plan by plan. Okay. I'm gonna create thumbnail for a architectural drawing. Okay. So mine is gonna be like this. Here I'm going to give a bit a light border effect. Okay. Now you can give crop. Okay. Yeah. It's ready. Let's see what I'm seeing. I'm keeping it this way. Now it's fine. So come let's add a word. Insert, give a text box. Okay. You will get a text box. For example, I'm typing this as YouTube thumbnail. Okay. Now see, I'm changing this type. Okay, fine. I want to increase the size. So I'm going to 44. Now I want to insert shape fill. So I'm going for this. I am taking a big blue. After which you have to do, take gradient and make it a milder blue gradient. Okay. You can also edit in this. Like you can go here. You have to give more gradients. So now it's a bit dark, right? So I'm going to change it. Make it as ink blue. Now we can also add stop. Like how do you want to increase or decrease or you want to make the color? Okay. I'm setting this. Okay. It's going to come here. Now we have added this one and this is our picture. Okay. Now let's go to this insert, draw, design. In this design, you can see this format background. Okay. You can fill with any color. For example, I'm going for this gradient fill. Okay. It's coming this way. Now I can do it this way or either this way. So it's a bit linear, right? I don't want it linear. I want it gradient. So it comes this way. Okay. Now it looks good. Add this thumbnail here. Now it's okay. Give a bit transparency to it. This is also a bit linear type. I'm making it as radial one. So now it matches right. Okay. It's fine now. This is our thing. Now I am going to insert one more picture. Same from this one. I'm going to show a mini thumbnail. So like how I have to do is, I just want this plan area alone. Okay, fine. So I'm giving a picture effect to it. Yeah, it's done. Okay. Now we can give another text box. Insert, give word art, take this one, type it as subscribe. You can change the word art the way you want. Okay. Our thumbnail is ready. I hope you would have got certain ideas like how can we make thumbnail using PowerPoint presentation. Okay. I'll see you with another good interesting video. Till then, bye from Bob Squire.